Hello friends and welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a double bow to go on top of my year-round tree. This is going to be for my fall tree. Alright, I just want to get the zip tie started. I want to make sure it's underneath all the loops and I just want to get it started. I'm not going to crank it all the way down because I want to be able to put a pipe cleaner behind it before I crank the zip tie all the way down. So I'm just going to get it started. Use it to pull it out of the bow maker. Pull the zip tie to the back. I'm going to put the pipe cleaner in and then crank it all the way down. I'm going to make 2 of these bows and put them back to back on the top of my Christmas tree. Not my Christmas tree, my fall tree. So now I can use these pipe cleaners as kind of like a handle to just fluff it out. They call this breaking the bow, fluffing the bow. I learned how to make bows before there was an easy bow maker, and I wish there had been some kind of bow making apparatus. I had to learn them on my own, but they turn out much prettier when you're using the Deluxe Easy Bow Maker. Or any bow maker. I'm gonna give my tails a good cut. I like to dovetail them. Some people just like it at a slant. I dovetail mine. All right, so here's my first bow. Now I'm going to make an identical bow to go with this. So I did 3 loops of the orange plaid and then 2 loops on each side of the black. These ribbons I got from Walmart a couple of years ago. They were in a big bin and they were like 52 cents or something like that. Something crazy. So I bought all of them, really. So 8-inch tail into the Easy Bow Maker. Make sure you twist it on the way down. 6-inch loop. Another 6-inch loop. Bow making doesn't have to be hard. It just takes practice. Eight-inch tail, twist it on the way down, 6-inch loop, twist it on the way down, 6-inch loop, and by this point I'm just measuring to the other loops because I can't see the 6. Got my zip tie. I'm going to make sure I get all my loops and my tails. I'm going to get the zip tie started. I'm not going to crank it all the way down, just get it started. Use the zip tie to pull it out of the bow maker. Pull the zip tie to the back. Insert the pipe cleaner. And then crank it all the way down. I use a zip tie because it makes those loops pop up. And then you just kind of go back and forth with your bow until you're happy with it. Just manipulate your loops. dovetail my tails. Just fold it on its side and cut down at a slant. There's my second bow. So when I put it on my tree, I'm gonna put it back to back like that, so it looks like a big, nice, juicy, full bow. And like it's going all the way around. It looks like it's one bow. I'll show you. Okay, so I have my two bows here. One here, one here. I'm using the pipe cleaners to attach it. So now I'm coming around to the back with the other one. And just twist tie it on. You're just going to give it one last fluffing, get the loops in the tails exactly the way you want them. So there's the front and there's the back. It just looks like it's a nice, big, full bow. Now I have to address the rest of the tree. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you learned something from it and come back for the next one to see the full tree. Like and follow for more.